Hello. Here we have a northpoint model NT-9-HP. I picked up two of these from a ham fest. They were never converted to CB. I had them converted. Like I said, I have two of them. And there's brand new radios. Supposedly they're like the Magnum S9s. They come with everything here. Everything's in the box here. Get the bracket. Manual. All the accessories are in here. Never been opened. The original mic, mounting hardware, power cord. It's all in the box. The box does have some writing on it. Right there. Probably can get that off if you don't want it on there, but I figured for that price, brand new. I see the Magnum S9's going well over 300 bucks used. And this is pretty much close to the same thing. The only difference on this one, the channels to get to your different bands, this dimmer switch, you flip it down to dim, and look over here, you have N5, that's this band, N6, N7, N8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there's 8 different bands. Once you get to your selected band, N5 is the regular citizen band, then you just flip the switch back to bright. When you look at the radio, it doesn't look like it has channels. But it does have your AM, FM, upper and lower sideband, RF power, echo, level, and pitch controls. There's also a button down here that says day or night. If you flip it to day, the meter light turns a bright white. I know it doesn't look too good from the video, but it looks really nice in person. And you flip it back to night, and it turns down to a blue. And we'll key the radio up on low. It does have a lot of nice swing. Audio check. Audio check. Turn the power up. Audio check. Audio check. I'm using just a Galaxy stock mic. I didn't want to. It's the same kind of microphone that comes with it. I didn't want to open the original mic. Wanted to leave that up to you. But super clean. Also, on the back of these radios from the factory, there's a knob there next to the heatsink. That's the variable talkback in the radio. So it does have a variable talkback, so you can set the talkback just as loud as you want it. But nice radio. The receive on it is really nice. It picks up some far out stations. Let's see if I can't get a radio check here. Breaker 19 about a radio check.
Doing a real good job. That's working, driver.
Alright, I appreciate it. You have a great day. Drive safe.
Back at you, man. Right back at you.
Yeah, it's a good working radio, so you don't see many of these. So I don't know if maybe you're a collector and you'd like to get something like this. It's got the original box. The frequency counter, from where I'm looking, looks like it's blinking, but that's just the camera here, but it's not. But good looking radio. Really good looking radio. Like I said, I have two of these. So I'm going to sell one. I might just keep the other. I'm not sure. But good luck, and enjoy the radio. Thank you.